Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a quick DIY for transforming some old, worn, beat up shoes into these metallic bad boys. So if you're interested in how I did it, keep watching. So I used some gold paint, some paper, clear acrylic spray, masking tape, a jam lid, which was my paint palette, a paintbrush, and a stitch unpicker. The first step was to remove the bows from the front of the shoe by unpicking the stitches holding them on. So they went from with bows to without bows. I actually have an identical pair in black. This step made me realize they would look much nicer without bows, so I took off all the bows. I think they'd look less cutesy and more classy without the bows. There you go, 2 DIYs in one. But back to the grey ones, which still are looking pretty sad. It's time to protect the body of the shoe with some masking tape because we're going to paint next. I masked around the top where the toe cap meets the body of the shoe, as well as around the edge of the sole. I squeezed some gold acrylic paint onto my jam lid paint palette. And here's the point of the DIY that you realize there's no going back and it may turn out terribly, but we keep going and paint the toe of that shoe. The first coat turned out pretty sheer, so I decided to do a second coat, and that makes everything much more opaque. And here is the most satisfying part of the whole video. Remove the masking tape. Oh yeah. Let's watch that one more time. Oh, so good. You are welcome. So they are looking complete, nice and shiny. I like the matte look to them. They have a brushed gold effect, but I was a bit concerned about the acrylic paint staying on, so I decided to add a clear top coat to seal the paint on there. So I made a shoe taco by wrapping and securing some paper around the shoe. This is to protect the rest of the shoe from overspray. I also used a little bit of masking tape to protect the sides that were peeking through. 2 beautiful shoe tacos. Here I used a spray acrylic. I just followed the directions that were on the back. And I went outside and sprayed those bad boys. I left them to dry for a little while and bam, they're done. Much better. I think this was a great way to revamp an old pair. I will be far more likely to wear them from now on. I'll keep you posted on how they hold up. I'm just doing a little celebration dance. Yep, great, they work as shoes. Here's a recap of them before and after. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try this and your thoughts in the comment section below. Have an awesome day.